60 by 80, so if it's a twin size bed, it's ridiculously soft on one side. Let me show you. Full transparency, I got this one because I was going cheap and I was trying to get that viral comfort blanket at a lower price, so I picked this one up. At first glance, it really looks and feels like it. On this side, it's got kind of the lumpy strip. It's hard to see in this light, isn't it? It's like velvety, but it's got, there, you can see on this side. You see that kind of lumpy? That's what's giving that comfort dreamer blanket texture, but the back side is like a different fabric. On the comfort, you have that same little ridgy fabric that's super soft on the front and on the back. On this one, the lower cost version, you're getting a different material on the back. Now, is it super cozy and soft? Yes. Does my kid absolutely love it? Yes. Does my kid even know the difference that it's not the Comfort Dreamer blanket? No, sure does not. So if you're looking for a Comfort Dreamer blanket, this ain't it. But if you're looking for it for a 6-year-old who just wants a snuggly blanket, it's a great low cost alternative. I'll link it for you.